Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today because I've got something that could really change the way you make money online. If you've been struggling to find a legit side hustle that actually works, without all the usual complications like having to sell products, deal with customers, or spend hours on marketing, this could be the answer you've been looking for. Today, we're talking about App Install Pro, a system that claims you can start making money right away, just by helping companies get their apps onto more devices. Now, you might be wondering, how does that work? How can I make money just by promoting apps? Well, stick with me, because I'm going to walk you through exactly how this system works and why it's getting a lot of attention right now. Here's the deal. App Install Pro is all about leveraging mobile apps to earn commissions, and trust me, this is one of the easiest ways to start making passive income online. The whole system revolves around getting paid when people download apps. Simple as that. You don't have to sell anything, and you don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge. You're basically helping companies get their apps on more devices, and they pay you for every successful download. So how does this work exactly? It's actually really straightforward. The system is designed to be easy to use with just a few simple steps. First, you follow the instructions to connect the apps to traffic. Essentially, you're setting up a pipeline that funnels people to these apps. Next, you set everything up in just about 3 minutes. That's it. After that, you sit back and watch as traffic comes pouring in. Every time someone installs an app, you make money. It's as simple as that. And honestly, that's what makes this system stand out from so many other online business models. No need to create a product, set up complicated funnels, or handle customer service. You just focus on the easy part, getting people to download the apps. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about any random apps. With App Install Pro, you get access to Ricky Mitaka's underground mobile CPA network. Now, for those of you who might not be familiar with CPA, cost per action, it's essentially a system where you get paid when someone takes a specific action, in this case, downloading an app. But here's the cool part. These aren't just any small apps. The apps you'll be promoting are massively popular, with huge download numbers and global reach. The traffic you'll be getting is high quality, and these apps pay top dollar for installs. And remember, the best part is that you don't need to do any of the heavy lifting yourself. Ricky has already set up everything for you. Now let's talk about the potential here. Many people are already making anywhere from $100 to $500 a day using this system. That's a pretty solid extra income, don't you think? And the best part is that once you get it set up, it runs on autopilot. You don't have to constantly monitor everything, just choose your traffic source. Pick the offers you like, set a budget, and the system does the rest. The beauty of this system is in its simplicity. You don't have to worry about any of the complexities that come with other online businesses. There's no need for any coding, no need to create a website, and no need to worry about customer complaints. Everything is taken care of for you. Plus, with the 8-module training that comes with App Install Pro, you'll learn everything you need to know about scaling this business on both Google and Apple app stores. The training is super comprehensive, and it's designed to help even total beginners get up to speed quickly. And if you're worried about risk, here's something that might put your mind at ease. When you activate your account, $50 is loaded onto it to get you started without having to spend your own money right away. So you can start testing out the system risk-free and see how it works for you. But that's not all. You also get access to some pretty valuable bonuses, like a private behind-the-scenes call where Ricky walks you through everything you need to know. Plus, there's an MVP call recording, which is usually only available to high-ticket students, and Ricky's best traffic secrets to help you really scale your efforts. So, who exactly is behind this system? Ricky Mitaka is a well-known name in the e-commerce world with over 15 years of experience. He's created and launched multiple successful products, including Brand Builders Academy and Slingly Pro. He's not just a product creator, he's also developed software solutions that have helped big businesses increase their revenue. His track record speaks for itself, And with App Install Pro, he's created a system that's designed to make it as easy as possible for anyone to start earning money online. If you're tired of trying side hustles that take forever to set up or don't actually make money, App Install Pro might just be the real deal. For just $47, you could start earning money today. And the best part is that this system is designed to be completely automated. Imagine making money while you sleep. Now that's the dream, right? I know a lot of you have been looking for a way to make money online without all the usual headaches, and this could be your chance to finally turn things around. So, if you're ready to get started and start earning, make sure you grab this offer while it's still available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.